Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong. I know.
Come on, putos. No, fuck that. Taking the helicopter out of here. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Get in, get in, get in, get in, get in, get in. Oh! Oh!
Oh my
No!
god.
Oh my god. Jesus. Jesus.
Guess we're not taking the helicopter.
I think I could just... Yeah, I think I could just do this. Hang on, Joey. Joey.
Oh. Uh-oh.
I'm taking these. Oh,
Looks like I'm getting out.
Fail.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
I tried to open the parachute, but it didn't let me.
Damn, hold on.
You said you were gonna race me.
Hold on. Okay. Stop right there. Ready, set, go. I'm almost as fast as you. Almost.
Oh wait, we're there, we're there.
Yeah, we are there. Gotta bail out of my
Oh,
tractor.
oh no, they saw me.
My loyal tractor. Alright,
Alright.
let me go high and then I'll bail.
You can also skydive for a little bit.
Oh. This would be so cool if it didn't already happen in Grand Theft Auto. Ah, like a boss. Like a motherfucking boss. Ah. Clean. Clean getaway.
And there's a bloody condom in the box. Make that 2 bloody condoms.
Dude, this driving sucks. That was not me. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. Ooh. Oh, okay, of course that would happen in this game. And look at this view.
Oh, well that's it.
Oh. Damn, Joey, you don't know anything about stealth? Can we plant some bombs on it? Fuck. Oh my, you did that, didn't you?
So yeah, you gotta shoot it, but then it explodes.
Wow,
So I
Joey.
guess you wanna stay back.
You're fucking dangerous in this game, bro. For real. Get in the chopper. Get in the chopper.
Get in the chopper! I'm in. No, no.
Is that the right button? Oh no, you faggot! You fucking
Yeah.
faggot! You're a fucking dick, man.
Oh, I can heal it.
You just lost us the chopper.
Oh
There's
no,
another
I
chopper.
told you.
Hey Wolf, if you can hear me, if you can hear the sound of my voice, bail out of the car.
Oh,
Yeah. Bail out of the car. You can hear me. Right?
what?
This is a Chucky
Whoa.
production.
Can you see this, Joey?
I don't know where you are.
I'm right next to you, doofus.
Oh, what am I looking at?
The tail's glitching
What is
out.
it?
Whatever.
Oh my god, look at it.
I know.
It's still going.
Oh my.
It's going faster now.